Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, awesome, glad you're with us. Today we're talking about something that got a ton of us frustrated, and that's YouTube's comment system and YouTube's AI back at it. So what's going on? People on Reddit and X, both creators and viewers, are super annoyed because comments are disappearing left and right. They're either getting auto-deleted, flagged as spam, or just vanishing for no reason. And even long, thoughtful comments on ones that aren't rude or spammy are getting zapped. And this makes discussions feel fake and overly moderated or even censored in some instances. And it's like if you write a comment, you click post and boom, it's gone forever. Or maybe you're a creator and your fans are saying their replies aren't showing up, but you have no idea what's going on. Now, this is a bummer. It feels like conversations are cut short and it's killing the vibe in our communities. YouTube says it might be due to policy violations or filters set by creators, but that's clearly not the case. They've told folks to report issues through feedback tools, but honestly, that's not fixing things fast enough for most of us. So what's causing this? Overactive spam filters, maybe weird algorithm glitches. My take is probably the AI misfiring at the comments and poorly classifying them. But here's the good part: you don't have to deal with this forever. So if you're a creator wanting your comment section to be a real comment section, I've got two quick fixes for you. And I'm not saying this will eliminate 100% of the moderation from YouTube's side, because it would be foolish to believe so, but it will dim it as much as possible and make your comment section a better place. Now, the first thing you want to do is to disable the moderation, and here's how to do it. So you need to go to your videos or YouTube Studio, and in here you have the settings pop up, and inside the settings under community moderation you will see the comments left on and the moderation is set to basic, and all you have to do is click on none. And this will not fully disable YouTube's system, but will dim it so that it won't interfere that much with whatever you have. Then the next thing you want to do after you click save is to sign up for Comment Bro, which and connect it to your channel. So Comment Bro will then scan for new comments coming in, will classify them into a couple categories like appreciation, hate, or maybe leads wanting to get in touch with you, and then propose a reply for you, basically replying as being yourself, matching your tone, all inside the members area. Then all you have to do is to edit these replies, and if you feel it, and then approve it, and they will get posted as replies to those comments. So that's pretty much it. So two steps basically. One is to dim or disable the moderation from YouTube's side, and then if you want to sign up for Comment Bro and connect that to your channel, so it will automatically identify what comments need replying and what comments don't need replying, or maybe if they're I don't know, hate speech, just tell it to reply in a given way, or I don't know, be sarcastic or stuff like that. Up to you. So yeah, hopefully this helps you, and this is how you get rid of the way too aggressive comment moderation tool on YouTube. Gain control on your comment section and make it a better, more engaging place for your subscribers. So let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Comment Bro will also reply in here too, because this channel is also moderated by the tool. And if your comment doesn't get deleted by YouTube before that, then you will get a quick demo of what Comment Bro is capable of. So thanks for watching, and let's make YouTube a better place. And don't forget to subscribe, reply, whatever. you know the drill on YouTube. Cheers.